Tahiti's wedding packages are the key to a stress-free celebration. Full planning services cover everything from venue selection to the finest details, ensuring your day is a harmonious blend of personal style and tropical charm. Month of coordination is a lifesaver for last-minute details, allowing you to focus on the joy of the occasion. And for a truly unique celebration, customized options let your individuality shine through, from DJ and entertainment to a la carte touches. Your venue sets the stage for your Tahiti wedding. Beachfront settings offer a picturesque canvas for your vows, with packages ranging from intimate ceremonies to lavish celebrations. Private venues like parks, country clubs, and historic sites provide exclusivity for a more personal affair. For the adventurous, cruise weddings combine the thrill of travel with the romance of the sea, offering a unique experience with a variety of onboard amenities. To infuse your wedding with the essence of Tahiti, consider traditional Polynesian entertainment. From fire dancing to lei greetings, these cultural elements add an authentic touch. Floral designs inspired by the island's natural beauty can include local blooms and vibrant color collections, enhancing the tropical ambiance. And don't forget the culinary delights. Savor dishes like poisson cru and fafa to give guests a taste of Tahitian flavors. Understanding Tahiti's marriage requirements is essential for a legally recognized union. There's no residency requirement, but you'll need valid passports and birth certificates, among other documents. A civil ceremony is a must before any other type of celebration. Start the paperwork well in advance to ensure everything is in order for your special day. With these legalities handled, you can immerse yourself in the excitement of planning your tropical wedding. Book with a Tahiti specialist at Far and Away Adventures.